Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Nick.
I'm Talitha.
And I'm Ramash.
And we are Cinnacrumb. Today we are going to be making tiny cinnamon rolls.
The ingredients you'll need for cinnamon rolls is cooking spray, brown sugar, active dry yeast, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, cream cheese, honey, almond butter, sugar, salt, powdered sugar, milk, and flour.
Our first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Our second step is to combine 1 1/3 cups of warm water, a tablespoon of active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of honey to our standing mixer. So 1/3 is already in. Add another cup. And we need 2 tablespoons of honey.
After leaving it to sit for 5 minutes, add 3½ cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix for approximately 5 minutes. After mixing, allow for the dough to rise and rest on a floured surface for 10 minutes.
As the dough rises, combine 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Then make it into a kind of rectangular shape, 9 by 15 inches. Okay. Next, you will spread 4 tablespoons of almond butter over the dough. Take the mixture from before and spread it across the dough evenly. Roll the dough gently into a cylinder shape. Then cut the dough into several slices. Each slice is 1 mini cinnamon roll.
And now we're going to put the cinnamon rolls in the oven.
Alright, so while cinnamon rolls are baking, prepare the frosting. First thing you want to do is cream together butter and cream cheese. You're going to want to use 2 ounces of cream cheese softened and 2 tablespoons of butter completely softened. And then after that, you're going to want to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And after that, you're going to want to add milk and until it becomes a very spreadable consistency.
Alright, so now we're gonna have our 2 victims try it. Alright.
Yay. Cheers.
Ooh, good.
Another success story.
My version of the cinnamon rolls did not include brown sugar. This variation did not work out since brown sugar is acidic, which plays a key role in producing carbon dioxide to help the dough rise. The other 5% in the brown sugar consists of calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium, whereas white sugar does not contain any of these.
Yeast in the dough absorbs simple sugars and converts them to carbon dioxide, which in the dough helps it to rise. Flour is the base of the whole recipe, reacting with the other ingredients in the dough.
My substitute was using almond butter instead of regular butter. It turned out to be healthier than regular butter since the amount of protein per serving for the almond butter was 7 grams, whereas the butter it is 0.1 grams per serving.
Salt and cinnamon in the dough, as well as the frosting, is purely a taste enhancer. Butter in the dough helps it to give it a fluffier product, as well as giving a body and a texture.
My variation of the cinnamon rolls was replacing cinnamon with pumpkin spice. Due to the ginger and nutmeg, they both had a different effect on the cinnamon rolls. Ginger and nutmeg caused the dough to be over-risen and made the cinnamon rolls too hard.
My substitute was maple syrup instead of honey. Surprisingly, it didn't work out, since the dough turned out being more runny and liquidy since maple syrup is less concentrated than syrup. The only part that we preferred was the fact that it was slightly healthier compared to the others.
And this is our mascot, Cinnamon!
I'm Joe.
I'm Nick.
I'm Talitha. Our first step, our second step.
Yeah.
Bloopers trying to catch.
Peace out.